Hey guys, you know, it's a very rainy day. So rainy, I couldn't even play outside. It's crazy. I mean, look at that, look. You see all that? Let me show you. Let me show you. Look, you hear that thunder? It's raining, I tell you, raining. You see all that black stuff over there? Yeah, that's water. And look, it's raining. In the pool. Water's jugging. Poor flamingos. Poor stoplight. Poor Earth. I'm a motherfucker gentleman. I'm a motherfucker gentleman. Gonna make you sweat. Gonna make you wet. You know who I am. What say? Oh, we gotta go inside. That was scary. We must get inside. Perfect. Hey guys, guess what? Guess what? You are probably not going to be able to see me. If you can, great. If you can't, oh well. So I got the update from Minecraft. Yay! And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I got myself a new water bottle. Wanna see it? Oh, flip! I demand you to flip. Oh, that's why. Why is this upside down? Look, I got one of those special cool water bottles. Hey, you open it like that. You may not see me, but oh well, you open it like that and then go like this. And I press back in. And look what else it does. Water. Am I getting you wet? Whoa. Oh, goodness. Zero. What?
Okay. You mind if I look under the hood? No, sir. I'd like you to. Yeah, it definitely looks fast. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
It's fast. The engine was originally made for offshore racing boats. Really? Yeah. I said, well, if they're good enough for the street, we just started it yesterday for the first time.
Yeah, that's really all that's going on.
So, I mean, you've never
So, yeah.
No.
Bye.